The Revit model creation requires selecting a specific operating case. Before the model can be created, the selection revision must be locked to protect the revision integrity between the selection and the Revit model. Once the desired operating case is selected, the Revit model builder can be started. The model is then generated by a dedicated remote server. After the Revit model image appears, the file can then be downloaded and opened in the application program. The Revit model is dimensionally accurate and shows the system connections. And the list of associated parameters are available for review from the Family Type preview screen.